Hi there, this video is about you not giving up on your driving test, because there's going to be a time on your test, it happens to lots of people, where things go a little bit wrong. And some people it gets to. Some people, they can just shrug the shoulders and just get on with the driving, which is what you want to be doing, because you've paid for the time. You want to make sure that when you finish that 40 minutes, you give it your best shot. And if you've given up, or you've stopped the car and you've at the beginning of the test, just say at the beginning of the test, you've got a bay park in the test centre and it goes wrong, and you've not parked it. It's probably the worst bay park you've done since you started driving, and you're thinking, God, I'm just going wrong. I'm going to stop at this point here. And you turn to the examiner and say, I can't continue. I've had enough. I want to give up. At that point, they'll say, you sure? You say, yeah, I'm going to give up. The test stops at that point there. So you've been in the car maybe 5 minutes, and you look at the test sheet and it says you've got a series for your bay park and nothing else, and you're thinking, all right. And then the next day, reality kicks in. Yeah, you made a bit of a hash of your bay park, but the rest of your driving, you haven't got a clue. I mean, your instructor's telling you actually be pretty good, or your family member saying to you, you're pretty good, but you haven't got a clue whether you can handle the rest of the test. So don't give up. You know, there's a great example of one of my pupils years ago when I was teaching her, and she went out on a driving test, and I'm waiting for her to come back, and she parked up at the end of the test, and I walked over to the car, and she's looking at me through the window, and there's tears pouring down her eyes. She opened the window and said, what's up with you? And she says, well, I've just made the worst drive ever, and I failed my driving test. And the examiner turned around and says to her, congratulations, you passed. And she was amazed that she passed. But the examiner says, well, yeah, you've done a few errors, but there's nothing dangerous in there. You've got a few faults for this and that, but overall you kept it going, you kept yourself together, and you've passed. So she was chuffed to bits. And I see her drive around every now and then, she's waving away, and you can tell she's happy as pie. But this is what it's like. You are going to be out there, and the stress of the test will get to some people more than others. Or you'll do this manoeuvre and you've nailed it every week for 5 weeks on the trot, and you'll do a parallel park, and you're thinking, oh God, I'm going to hit the curb, and you hit the brake hard, and you're thinking the stress is getting to you. Take a deep breath, don't let it get to you, don't give up, keep looking round, finish it off. You know, if you say, for instance, you say to the examiner, oh, I think I failed for that one there, they're not going to say anything to you. They're not going to say, yes, you definitely failed, because it's going to put you off. What you've got to say is, now I might have failed, but I'm not going to give up. I've got to keep going, because I want to get back to that test centre, and I'm going to finish it off the best I can. Give it my best shot. I paid for the privilege of taking that test. I want to see how well I've done. I think I've done bad because of that mistake, but I'm not going to give up. Get back to the test centre and listen to the examiner. He might say to you, unfortunately, you failed for that manoeuvre, and you think, I know that. The rest of it was pretty good. And you're thinking, well, actually, get myself in there the next 10 days, get a bit of practicing, get a test put for 2 weeks or 4 weeks away, and get that test back in there, because the rest of the drive was pretty good, and I know I can pass now. Where if I would have given up at that manoeuvre, or given up at that junction because it got to me, then I don't know how the rest of the test would have gone. But now I know that I can handle it, and I'm going to go into the next test feeling more confident. So don't give up. Simple as that. Okay, I hope it makes a bit of sense. It's just something I was thinking about, people who give up and people who continue. And best luck with your driving lessons. And if you've got your test coming up and you're watching this, don't give up. Good luck.